Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the app and grabbing what you need offline. First, install Google Translate and sign in, then pick your source and target languages and download their offline packs so you don't depend on roaming. Once done, grant microphone and camera permissions. These let you speak and scan signs. Now open conversation or camera mode and speak or point at text. You're already translating. Keep the phrasebook ready for quick replies and save short sentences you'll use repeatedly. You'll move into active translation with features that handle real-world interactions. In conversation mode, choose languages and speak. Either tap to talk or enable auto-detect for back-and-forth speech. This reduces pauses and confusion. For printed text, use camera translate, point, scan, then tap to freeze and correct any misread words before copying. If a language uses non-Latin script, switch to handwriting and draw characters. Meanwhile, save polished replies in the phrasebook so you can paste or play them quickly when under time pressure. You'll wrap up by optimizing settings and preparing for hiccups. Adjust voice speed and dialect in settings to match local accents and make playback clearer. This helps you sound natural. Save and label essential phrases, greetings, directions, allergies, so you can access them fast without typing. Before travel, test offline packs and camera scans to confirm quality. If translation fails abroad, re-download the offline pack or toggle airplane mode and back. That often clears permission or network glitches and gets you back translating quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.